Okay, let's start in example 1 by using the product of powers property. There's only one, letter B, that's a little bit confusing looking, but I think we can get around that. So let's start with this one. We've got a base 4 in each of these, and it's saying 4 to the third power times 4 to the fifth power. Now, we're not really looking for an answer here. We're trying to say, when you put these together, how many 4s are there? Well, here there's 4 times 4 times 4, and then over here there's 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4. So there's 3 4s, 5 4s. You put them together like this. 3 plus 5, and that's 4 to the 8th power. Again, what we've just done there is when we use the product of powers property, we add the exponents. Now, letter B is just a little bit confusing, and here's why. The parentheses may throw you off a little bit, but this is like saying there's a -3 there, and there's really one of those. Okay, I'm going to put these parentheses around here. There's one of those, and then that's times a little -3, and they have to protect those with the protect basically our confusion by surrounding those with parentheses. But there's 7 -3s over here. So really what we have is a -3 times 7 -3s. So what we've got here is we've got -3 to the first power, and we got -3 to the 7th power. So what we're doing is we're putting these together like this. It's 1 plus 7, or another way to say this is -3 to the 8th power. And what we used here, again, was called the product of powers. That wasn't even close. Product of powers property. And what we did here in this step was we added the exponents. And then finally, this problem down here is going to introduce us to variables with this. So take a look at the bottom one. This is saying that it's y to the 4th power. If you think about this, what this means is y times y times y times y. Then we have y to the 5th power and y to the 6th power. So there's 4y's times 5y's times 6y's. So the total number of y's will be found by doing 4 plus 5 plus 6. And that comes to y to the 15th power. So what we've done here is we've used the product of powers property. We've at the end again we've added the exponents.